Help, CPs! What is the problem? Well, I'm in jail! Help! Fun! This is not fun! I'm in jail! Help! Why am I in jail? What did I do? I did nothing wrong. Just because you kill a few people, you torture them in your basement, you kidnap their families. It doesn't mean I deserve to be in jail. I need to add the Vineboom to my stream deck. I really do. Hey! Did you guys hear that? It worked! I finally got my Vineboom. It was so loud for me. Oh. Balls. This is a problem. Now I'm addicted. Boom. Okay, I'm stopping. Okay, I stopped. Okay. Okay, I stopped. Look at me when I talk to you. Pope, please, get out of the way. I want to talk to my set alone. Hi. Hello. Hello. Ow! What the heck? I can't even say hello. I have a new thing on stream. It's my new toy now. It's my new thing now. I learned it. I learned how to do it, and now I spam it. You should expect this from me. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. Bye. Bye. You'll never catch me. Ow. You'll never catch me. Ah! Your tiny legs are too small. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. I just realized that Pop is on top. Of course. Pop is always here. Okay, I stopped. Okay, for real now. For real now. Where's the Pop in your head? What do you mean? Are you relaxed right now? Because I'm so relaxed. This is such a chill stream. I feel like I'm in vacation. I'm so relaxed, so chill. Nothing wrong with this stream at all. This is performance art? Yeah. It's just a normal stream, you know? A normal art stream, making art, you know, enjoying. It's almost as if I can hear something behind me, right? I feel like there's something repeating over and over again. Crazy? I was crazy once. I heard the yippies in a room. In a room that I was locked in. In jail, I heard the yippies. They were crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once. I was stuck with the yippies. I was stuck with them. And the gnomes. And the sheeps. And everyone. I'm going crazy. Save me. Save me. We gotta take the Vine button away. Don't take my precious new sound effect away. More bass, more energy, yes! Did I just... The line art is in the background layer.